In this video, I'll show you where to get a promo code deal for Air Transat. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so for this demonstration, when I open up my web browser, I'm going to head on over to Google, and now in the Google search box, I'm going to type in Air Transat promo code. And then once you hit search, you'll be brought to a whole list of Google results. So if we scroll down, you can see different promo code deals here. You can check out any one of the top results. So the one for this one I'm going to use is this 40% off Air Transat coupon code. So if I go ahead and click into this, it will redirect me to their website. And then as you can see here, this is a verified coupon. So special offers available with, so if we go ahead and click on show code, and you can see the code has been copied into our clipboard. So now from there, go ahead and paste that code when you're booking your next flight off at Air Transat to receive 40% off. If that code doesn't work, you can check out different promo code deals here as well. Because what generally happens, these promo or coupon code deals do expire after a certain amount of time. And depending what time you're watching this video, these codes will be all different as well.